Hello student, last lecture we take the example convert the following power function in logarithmic function. I want to revise that example again. 2 raised to 4 is equal to 16. It is an exponential form or exponent form. So we have a raised to x equal to y, a is equal to 2, y is equal to 16 and x equal to 4. So I put the values by comparing these with this expression. Hence, we put all these values in the equation log y to the base a is equal to x. That is called base is a, y is the answer, x is index and log is the function. So I put three values in this expression. We derive log 16 to the base 2 is equal to 2. For homework, I given the question 3 raised to 5 is equal to 729 and 5 raised to 3 is equal to 125. You solve this example and derive the answer is log to the base 3 of 729 is equal to 5 and log to the base 5 of 125 is equal to 3. So I think you may derive all the answer of these two examples. Now today's lecture we discuss about the main topic, that is we 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8. We just take the exponent form in a logarithmic form, log base same, base is 2 in this example, answer is 8 is equal to 3. Always remind that the exponential convert into log, you should write log log first, you should write base to the log, then answer is 8 and index is 3. Just take the quick examples that to convert exponent function into logarithmic, how to read this way. So I take simple examples. 5 raised to 3 is equal to 125. From calculator we discuss and derive these values. So here in this example, first check the base is 5, index is 3 and our answer is 125. It is in exponential function, so I convert in logarithm, so I use the log of 5, that is the base, log to the base of 125 is equal to 3. So how I read it this way, log base to the 5 of 125 is 3. Second example, 7 raised to 3 is equal to 343. We already know that. So I want to convert this exponential form in a logarithmic. I use same word, log base is 7, answer is 343 is equal to 3. 3 is the index. So I read as a way, log of base 7 of 343 is 3. I take the next example, 2 raised to 5 is equal to 32. So it is again exponential format function. 2 raised to 5 is equal to 32. We derive by the calculator. So I convert this exponential in log. I use the log. Base is 2. I write here. Answer is 32 and index is 5. So how I read this? Log base 2 of 32 is 5. Now next example. We already know 8 square is 64. It is easy way. So I check first base is 8, answer is 64 and index is 2 or power is 2. So I use log word is log to the base 8 of 64 is equal to 2. So I write or read log of base 8 of 64 is 2. Now big number, suppose we can do logarithmic function of this number also. We know 10 square is 100, but 10 raised to 4 is equal to 10,000. It should be converted in a logarithm. How? I use word log to the base. Base is 10. Just we revise, base is 10, then we should write only log. If you write 10, no matter. So I write log of 10,000, that is the answer, to the base 10 is equal to 4. So how I read? Log base to the base 10 of 10,000 is 4. So everybody understand this basic concept? Always remind that in any example, base is important, index is important, and answer is important. For exponential, convert into log, always remind that base is same, that is 5. Answer you should write here, and index number is in a right hand side is equal to that way. Now, last topic we discuss about the how to convert exponential into logarithm. Now we go to reverse way. How? Because exponential function and logarithmic function are inverse of each other. How? Log x to the base a is equal to y. We convert a raised to y is equal to x. Always remind that base is always same, index is number is equal to x. Suppose to understand better, we take the simple example. We studied 2 cube is equal to 8. So we convert log 8 to the base 2 is equal to 3. So how I convert the log of 8 to the base 2 is equal to 3? So we have expression y is equal to b raised to x. Then index is x, answer is y, of base is b. So we use this format and convert this log 8 to the base 2 equal to 3. How much? Base is 2, answer is 3, and 8 is the number. So we already know that 2 cube is equal to 8. So we confirm the answer. I explain it again. Write in an exponential form. We already know 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8. So last expression we discuss about 2 raised to cube is equal to 8. Then log, how we derive the log? Log of 8 to the base 2 is equal to 3. So reversely we study about this topic. What are that? Y is equal to b raised to x. Then we have expression x is equal to log to the base b of y. Base is always same in both expression. So we derive log 8 to the base 2 is equal to 3. So base we can write here 2. Index, that is the answer, we derive 8, and 3 is number, that is exponent, goes to 2 raised to 3. In our exercise, we take some the example. First, I will explain some simplest example. Convert the following logarithmic function into power function or exponent function. First example, log 32 to the base 2 is equal to 5. We already have log. Suppose I put y to the base a is equal to x. It is the general form of the logarithm. So I put the value and compare x equal to 5, y is equal to 32, and a is equal to 2. So we convert these logarithm in a x format. So I convert the power function is what? A raised to x equal to y. So always remind that a raised to x equal to y, then log y to the base a is equal to x. Reverse way we have to use. So I put 3 values in this given expression. I derive base is 2, raised to 5 is equal to 32. For homework, you must solve these 2 examples. What are they? Log 9 to the base 27 is equal to 2 upon 3, and log 0.01 to the base 10 is equal to minus 2. Note down these examples. Quickly, I give the example in a general format. So we discussed quickly about we have to convert now log in an exponential format. How? So I take the exercise question, rewrite the equation in an exponential form. First one, log 81 to the base 3 is equal to 4. So I convert, the base is 3. We know that. Answer is 4. So it goes to index and 81 it is the number. So 3 raised to 4 is equal to 81. Now second example. Log 4 to the base 4 is equal to 1. How would we derive? Base is 4. Number is 4. These are the equal numbers. But we know that the number and this is same. How we derive? We have the base 4. We should write 4 here. The answer is 1. So we should write 1 here. And the answer is, the number is again 4. So 4 raised to 1 is equal to 4. We calculate that 4 raised to 1 is always 4. That number remain as the same in a law of indices. We take log of 1 to the base 6 equal to 0. So we convert in an exponential. How? First remind that base you should write here. Answer you should write in an index, that is 0 and is equal to 1. We know that any number raised to 0 is always 1. So it is verified that it is equal to 1. So how I convert? Log 1 to the base 6 equal to 0. That means you should write base is 6 raised to 0 is equal to 1. Now I take the fourth example in a different way. Here base is given positive but it is in a fraction number. That is what? 1 upon 2 of 4, yani log of 4 to the base 1 upon 2 is minus 2. So it is easy. Always remind that base is 1 upon 2. You should write 1 upon 2. Answer is minus 2. It goes to index minus 2 and our number is 4. So we know that 1 upon 2, that is 1 upon 2 raised to minus 2. The minus 1 of it is goes to reverse way. So 2 raised to minus 2. It is 2 raised to minus 2. I should take minus sign outside the bracket. So 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4. So we confirm the answer here also. I revise just again this example for your convenience. Log 81 to the base 3 is equal to 4. We should write base 3. Answer 4 goes to index and 81 number goes to here. Trick is that smaller number raised to any number give the derived value of the number. Log 4 to the base 4 is equal to 1. I should write base is 4 here. Answer is 1 to index and remaining the number is 4. Log 1 to the base 6 equal to 0. That means 6 raised to 0 is equal to 1. Log 4 to the base 1 upon 2 is equal to minus 2. That means 1 upon 2 raised to minus 2 is equal to 4. Here 1 upon 2 is base. So it goes to base. Index is answer. So I should write minus 2 the answer. And of 4 is equal to 4. In this chapter, we take the basic concept, how is the power function defined, how is the exponent function is defined, how is the logarithmic function is defined, how we convert the exponent into logarithmic function, the logarithmic function into exponent function. We take just the example based on this. But logarithm is useful in different types of the real life examples. Just look out the application of power function. In this diagram, what should you see? You see arithmetic word, logarithmic word, f of x is equal to a raised to xn, power, other, and here they give factorial notation, log function, GCD, common divisor. So most probably the program is right in a computer language. Write a program to calculate power x comma n is x equal to 5 and n is equal to 2. So we know that base is 5 raised to 2 is equal to 25. The power function normally is used in a computer language. We take the example of, suppose the application of the power function used in a computer language. So logarithmic function is also used anywhere. So think about the logarithmic function.